Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a very simple Excel function which coming under statistical function category in Microsoft Excel. It is called max function. What max function do is it will return the highest value from a given set of numeric values. But this function has ability to ignore empty cells, text values, logical values like true and false, and the only thing it will do is counting numbers and return the highest value. For illustrating this function, I am going to use this simple table which contains term test marks for 10 students for 3 subjects in a particular class. You can see there are some cells with text values as well as one cell without any value or in blank. We'll see how this max function will work by finding the highest marks for each subject among these 10 students. Then we'll start using this function. As usual, select the output cell range first. Then go to formula bar and enter equal sign. Then type max and open a bracket. Now you should select the set of cells with the marks for each subject. So, select set of marks for mathematics and close the bracket. However, you do not need to select marks for science and English separately, since Excel has ability to automatically identify them. Now press Ctrl and Enter key. You can see maximum score for each subject appeared in our target cells. So this is how you can find maximum value of a set of numerical values using max function in Excel. And also you can see text values and blank cells ignored by this Excel function. So dissatisfied with the idea explained at the beginning of this video? And this is the end of this video. You can practice this function by your own by downloading this worksheet from the link mentioned in the description. Then thanks for watching and we'll meet again with another video. Goodbye.